I wanted to show you how to access your course materials for Chemistry 1342. So if you go to the home page and you go to Modules, you will find in Modules at the top of the page are course materials. Now here you can go into the ebook, which is your online textbook for 1342. Here are all your chapters, and they go down. Your chapters start at 12. Here's the introduction, intermolecular forces, properties of liquids, etc., the various sections within that chapter. Now we can go back to Modules, and you'll want to find the PowerPoints. And so the PowerPoint presentations are in each chapter module. So here is where you can access the PowerPoints. And so PowerPoint for chapter 12, just click here. And hopefully this will open up fairly soon. Here we go. And there is the start of the course. And you might and this is not necessarily what we went over. Some of this has been changed. This is talking about the polarity of bonds and the polarity of molecules, but these will serve you quite well as the PowerPoints. So that's how you get to the PowerPoints. You can also find videos. And these video lectures are by Dr. Mary Patterson. They are absolutely excellent, and I'm going to be moving very fast during lectures, so if you are wanting...
Hi, Bobcats. As we start chapter 12...
And you can tell Dr. Patterson speaks clearly and is a great scientist, and you might even prefer the videos to lecture. I encourage you to continue to attend lecture, get your attendance points, and you can interact with me and ask questions. Now I've moved the homework, which you can see here, and you should be able to click on the homework and access it. Let's try that in student view. TikTok, waiting for student view to materialize. Here's the homework. Let's go ahead and let's click on it. And all right, you should be able to simply click on verify enrollment. As I said, you should never hit a pay window. Put your academic email used during enrollment. That's your username email, not your alias. You should be good to go. Let me know if there are any problems with that. So we'll leave student view. What I've done in modules is to go ahead and put all the assignments. You should be able to access them from the home page, or you can go to modules, and there are all the initial homework assignments. Right after that are the quizzes. Let me make sure that that is published, and then the adaptive quizzes, make sure that is published, and you should be able to get into all those assignments. And then of course here are all your course materials, including all the videos which Dr. Patterson has done, and that should do it for you. Okay, let me know if you're having any problems.